Go day everyone! Today I want to share my personal reaction to our lesson about transformer and these types. Before this lesson, I only know transformers as those devices on electric post or something related to electricity, but I did not really understand their purpose. After the lesson, I learned that transformers are very important because they help control voltage. They can increase or decrease the voltage depending on what is needed. What I found interesting is that transformer make electricity safe and more efficient. For example, electricity is sent over long distance at high voltage for reduced energy loss. And then transformer lower the voltage before it searches our homes. Without transformers, it would be harder and more dangerous to use electricity in our daily lives. I also learned about the different types of transformers, like step up and step down transformer. A step up transformer increase voltage, while a step down transformer decrease it. Knowing their function helped me understand how electricity is managed from power plant all the way to our homes. I understand its purpose and importance. Thank you for listening.